if you're getting ready to retire and you're one of the unusual couples that you and your spouse are both turning 65, and you're like, okay, let's buy the same plan. It makes sense, right? And it does kind of make sense because it's easy if you both understand, if you buy Mutual of Omaha and you both understand Mutual of Omaha. But there are advantages to buying the same plan other than the ease of understanding, and that is because you might be able to get a very hefty discount. Some companies call it a spousal discount. It's only if you're married. Some companies call it a household discount if there's people over the age of 18 that have lived in the household with you for at least 12 months. And some people call it a multi-family discount. They call it different things. But if you and your spouse both choose the same plan, you could get a discount. And it seems like the lowest one's about 5%, and the highest one is about 13%. It varies by year, it varies by insurance company, and it varies by state. Some states don't allow a discount at all. So there's a few states we can't even offer it to you. But the majority of the states, yes, many plans, not all, offer a discount if you both buy a plan. And typically, that sounds like a good idea if you're both buying it at the same time. The problem is, I buy mine right now, and then my spouse doesn't buy one for 3 years because my spouse is 3 years younger. Well, in 3 years, a lot will change. In 1 year, a lot will change in the way these plans are rated, in the prices. So even though when my spouse comes on to Medicare in 3 years, and I say, hey, I'm on Aetna, why don't you get Aetna so we can get this big discount? When we look at the price, even factoring in the discount, sometimes it's better for him to go with a different carrier and me to stay with my plan, even though we're giving up that ability to get that household discount. Now, this is only for Medicare supplement insurance plans. This has nothing to do with Medicare Advantage or prescription Part D drug plans. This is Medicare supplement, private insurance to supplement original Medicare. But it's something to consider if your spouse is already on Medicare and you're getting ready to go on Medicare. Most people assume, well, he has Blue Cross, I guess I got to buy Blue Cross. No, you don't. He bought Blue Cross because it was the most competitive price when he entered Medicare. And that was a year or 2 or 3 or many years ago. So when you enter, we'll keep it in mind what your spouse has, but we're going to do some research and find out what the prices are for you now, and if it's cheaper to go with a competitor and to throw away the household discount, that's what we're going to recommend. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.